Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to make text of apps and other items bigger or smaller in Windows 10. High-resolution screens for PCs and laptops have their own advantages and disadvantages. Sometimes text on the screen or in an application may be too tiny and difficult to read. Generally, Windows 10 handles high DPI automatically and adjusts elements and text so they're normal in size. But if you find that text is too small or too large on your screen, regardless of its resolution, then you need to fix it. Here is how to do it. How to make text of apps and other items bigger or smaller in Windows 10. To make text of apps and other items bigger or smaller in Windows 10, right-click on free space on the desktop and select the Display Settings option. Under the Scale and Layout section, click on the drop-down Change the size of text, apps, and other items. Now, select the value in percentage. The changes are immediate, which means when you select any value, depending upon the selection, the text size will increase or decrease throughout Windows 10. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Gear Up Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.